Yeah, I did that. Okay, we're skipping that. My dad. Brr. Oh, that's Teacher Trelly. Okay, that's enough Facebook for today. Wait. We're just gonna go search again in Google. Slytherin things. Are you happy? Abracadabra. Yeah. What was the kill spell again? Wait, what was the kill spell in Harry Potter? What was the kill spell? Like, what was it? Is Slytherin awesome? No. Is Slytherin awesome? Still need results in Slytherin. Is Slytherin in Harry Potter? Okay, we're not gonna read it. 6 reasons why Slytherin is Slytherin. Images. Slytherin is awesome. Not the Voldemort face. Okay, we're going to save that image. Not the Voldemort face. Oh, I need to stop doing that. Yes, I finally did it right. Oh, I keep misspelling it. Like, for some reason, what? I mean, come on, you got to admit when you're trying to like spell or type something to do it fast with your hands. For some reason, you always like misspell it. I guess I have to go back in the old. Yeah, I have to go back in the old things. Because I actually used to use that like a lot. Last month ago, like a month ago, I swear, like I used those thingies a lot. These. Yeah. Which I think I'm gonna go and keep this one. No. Images. I'm a baddie, real baddie. Okay, yay! I finally one file downloaded. Wait. I've got the perfect idea. I'm actually gonna make my room when I grow up, so I can decorate my room with my own designs. I will do Slytherin room. Wait, let's. I'm a genius. Slytherin bed room. I'm a baddie, pretty little baddie. All of them are gorgeous. Okay, let's see if my comments are even on. Let's see who will win. The most people. Okay, wait. Let's go and so it won't be like too much comments. Yeah, you have to pick on all. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have to pick on all 6. Oh yeah, this is a good thing, so I won't stress you out. Okay, this is option A in the comments if I even have comments. Or you can literally just straight up visit me. Wait, you can actually visit. You can actually tell me in Facebook. If you have Facebook. There's no I'm downloading Messenger just for. Okay. A. This is option B. C. D. E. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E. B, C, D, E. And F. Which one do you want? I personally want A, but it's your decision. Which one do you want? So write in the comments if I even have comments. Wait, I do, and because like in the videos and stuff. Yeah, if I don't have comments, okay. The most people in the comments to be writing A, I will pick the room A. And the most people would be and you know how it goes. Come on. Okay, if anybody new here, I want some Slytherins. You know what? If you're Slytherin, you should watch this video. Yeah, if you're Slytherin, you should watch this video. Okay, Slytherins or the new Slytherins. Okay, if you think you're a Slytherin or if you like Slytherins, and you can this is for you. This is the video for you, my young Slytherins. Even though I'm a young Slytherin myself. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, or F. Come on. Pick, young Slytherins. Come on, you can do it. Okay, it doesn't really matter. You don't really have to. You don't really have to like and subscribe if you don't want to. If you don't like this video. Or you don't really have to comment which do you want, because sometimes you're on a TV or sometimes you're on a TV or some device that you don't know how to comment, so that's all right. That's all right. Okay, by the way, you have to be at least supportive of the Slytherin community to watch this video. At least supportive, okay? Honestly, I like A, but you can choose E or F or C or D. What's up to you, okay? So, I request, if you want, no hate comments. Okay, just don't start a war in the comments. No wars in the comments. Just don't be like, yeah, A is better, B is better. Just say your answer, or yeah. So, what do you think? What do you pick, my young Slytherin? A, B, C, D, E, or F? You know what? There's gonna be like a part 2. Yeah, there's gonna be a part 2.
Hey, come on na.
What? Wait, but I'm making a video.
So what time are we going to eat?
Wait, after this.
You turn off everything, ha?
So, what do you want, young Slytherin? A, B, C, D, E, F. Even want. So just pick your answer. Pick your answer. You literally got like 10 seconds to do your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I didn't wait for you. So, bye-bye, Slytherins, whatever. Bye, Slytherins. If you're even a Slytherin, I bet there's gonna be so many hate comments. Bye. I'm going to do my little thing. Bye.